Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your WordPress homepage name in just a few minutes. This simple tweak can boost your website's SEO, make your brand look more professional, and help visitors instantly recognize your site. Stick around because I'll show you a quick step-by-step method that anyone can follow, even if you're new to WordPress. First, open your browser and go to your WordPress site. Click the login button at the top right. For a faster login, you can choose the continue with Google Google option. If you manage multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one that's linked to your WordPress website. This ensures you're accessing the right dashboard without any confusion. Once you're in the dashboard, head over to the Pages section. Here you'll see a list of all the pages on your site, including your homepage. This is where you can make changes to your homepage title quickly and efficiently. Hover over your homepage title and click Quick Edit. Look for the slug field. This is the key to changing your homepage name. Enter a new SEO-friendly and descriptive name here. Keep it simple but effective because this is what shows up in search engine results and browser tabs. Once you've typed your new homepage name, click Update. That's it. Your homepage title is now updated and will immediately start appearing in search results with your new name. And there you have it. Changing your WordPress homepage name is that easy, and it can make a huge difference for your website's SEO and branding. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick WordPress tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.